Students, let us start our class. Today we are going to discuss some problems. First question. A class has 4 more girls than boys. On a day when only 8 boys were absent, the number of girls was twice that of the boys. Then how many girls and boys are there in the class? Okay. A class has 4 more girls than boys. On a day when only 8 boys were absent, the number of girls was twice that of the boys. How many girls and boys are there in the class? Okay. So first, taking the number of boys as x. Taking the number of boys as x. So can you say how many girls are there? Yes, number of girls a class has 4 more girls than boys. Okay, taking the number of boys as x, the number of girls is x plus 4. Okay, second condition, on a day when only 8 boys were absent. What is the meaning? Yes, ഇപ്പോൾ x ആണ്, then 8 boys absent ആണെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ആ എക്സിൽ നിന്ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 8 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ വരിക? Only 8 boys were absent. The number of girls was twice that of the boys. So, by using our given condition, we can write. How we can write? On a day when only 8 boys were absent, the number of girls x plus 4 equals 2 into twice that of the boys, that is x minus 8. Clear? Number of boys x ആയിട്ട് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. So what is the condition? A class has 4 more girls than boys. So number of girls is x plus 4. Next, what is the next condition? What is on a day when only 8 boys were absent? Okay, ഒരു ദിവസം 8 ആൺകുട്ടികൾ ആബ്സെൻ്റ് ആയപ്പോൾ the number of girls was twice that of the boys. അപ്പോൾ ഗേൾസിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം ആ ബോയ്സിൻ്റെ ഡബിൾ ആണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എക്സ് പ്ലസ് 4 ഈക്വൽസ് 2 ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8. Now let us simplify. X plus 4 equals here 2 into x minus then 2 into 8. That is x plus 4 equals 2x minus 16. Okay, or 2x minus 16 equals x plus 4. 2x minus 6 equals 4 plus 16. Okay, x നെ അങ്ങോട്ട് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്തു, 16 അങ്ങോട്ട്. So 2x minus x equals 4 plus 16. 2x minus x equals 16 plus 4 or 4 plus 16 20. X is 20. That is the number of boys is 20. Now what is the number of girls? Yes, 20 plus 4, that is 24. Number of boys 20 and number of girls equals 20 plus 4, that is 24. Okay, taking the number of boys as x, number of girls x plus 4. Now by using our given condition, we can write x plus 4 equals 2 into x minus 8. അതായത് എക്സ് ആണ് ബോയ്സിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം, 8 പേര് ആബ്സെൻ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അതെന്തായി മാറി? എക്സ് മൈനസ് 8. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ കണ്ടീഷൻ? നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഗേൾസ് ഈസ് ട്വൈസ് ദി നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ബോയ്സ്. x plus 4 equals 2 into x minus 8. Now let us simplify. X equals 20, that is number of boys 20, number of girls 24. Okay. Next question. A man invested 10,000 rupees split into 2 schemes at annual rates interest 8% and 9%. After 1 year, he got 875 rupees as interest from both. How much did he invest in each? Okay. A man invested 10,000 rupees split into 2 schemes at annual rates interest 8% and 9%. After 1 year, he got 875 rupees as interest from both. Okay, രണ്ട് സ്കീമിൽ നിന്നും കൂടെ അവർക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് 875 rupees. How much did he invest in each? ഇപ്പോൾ ഓരോ സ്കീമിലും എത്ര രൂപ വീതം ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്? Taking the amount invested in one scheme as x rupees. Okay. Then the amount invested in the second scheme is 10,000 minus x rupees. Now listen, we got the interest 875 rupees. So, did you remember what is the equation of simple interest? Okay. Interest is PNR by 100. Okay. P is the principal amount, N number of years, R rate of interest. Now, by using our condition, we can write, it's the first x into 8 by 100. Then after 1 year, so we can substitute the value for n as 1. So x into 1 into 8 by 100 plus next 10,000 minus x into 1 into next rate of interest is in second scheme 9%, that is 9 by 100. ഇപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് സ്കീമിലെയും കൂടെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് എത്ര അവർക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്? 875. Okay. Now here x into 1 into 8, that is 8x plus here 10,000 minus x into 9 whole divided by 100 equals 875. Now 8x plus here 90,000 minus 9x equals, ഇവിടെ ബൈ 100 ആണ്, അത് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുമ്പോൾ എന്തായി മാറി? 875 into 100, that is 87,500. Okay. Now 8x minus 9x equals 87,500 minus 90,000. Okay, that is minus x equals, what is the difference between 87,500 and 90,000? Yes, can you say? 87,900 minus 90,000. 0, 0, here 10, so 5 plus 5, 10, here 9 and 2, 2,500. 0 plus 0, 0, again 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1, then next 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, so minus 2,500, that is x equals 2,500. 100. Okay. So first x into 1 into 8 by 100 plus 10,000 minus x into 1 into 9 by 100 equals 875. ഇതിങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ കാരണം എന്താ? യെസ്, ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. രണ്ട് സ്കീമിലെയും കൂടെ ടോട്ടൽ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആണ് 875. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്കീമിൽ എക്സ് ഇൻറ്റു 1 ഇൻറ്റു 8 by 100, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ സിമ്പിൾ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. I equals PNR by 100. In the second scheme, amount 10,000 minus x. So 10,000 minus x into 1 into 9 by 100. That is the sum of these two interest is 875. In denominator, 100 common. So 8x plus 10,000 minus x into 9 whole divided by 100 equals 875. 8x plus bracket remove 90,000 minus 9x equals 875 into 100, that is 87,500. Next 8x minus 9x equals 87,500 minus 90,000. 8x minus 9x is minus x. Minus x is minus 2,500. That is x is 2,500. So the amount deposited or invested in the first scheme is 2,500. Now let us find out the second scheme. Amount invested in the second scheme, that is 10,000 minus 2,500, that is 7,500 rupees. Okay. So the amount invested in the first scheme is 2,500 rupees and the amount invested in the second scheme is 7,500 rupees. Okay. Next question. The distance travelled in t seconds by an object starting with a speed of u meter per second and moving along a straight line with a speed increasing at the rate of a meters per second. Every second is given by ut plus half at square. An object moving in this manner travels 10 meters in 2 seconds and 28 meters in 4 seconds. With what speed did it start? At what rate does its speed change? Okay. So our given equation is distance ut plus half at square. The next at t equals, first condition 10 meters in 2 seconds. At t equals to distance u into 2 plus half into a into 2 square, that is 2u plus half into a into 2 square 4, then 2 and 4 cancel, that is 2. So we get 2u plus 2a. Here 2u plus 2a. 2u plus 1 into a into 2, that is 2a. Then what's the given condition? In 2 seconds the distance is 10 meters. Here 10. 2u plus 2a equals 10. Take 2 outside. So what we get? U plus a equals 10 or u plus a equals 5. Okay. 2u plus 2a equals 10, that is 2 into u plus a equals 10, or we can write u plus a equals 10 by 2, that is 5. From here we can write u equals 5 minus a. U equals 5 minus a. Then what is the second condition? 20 meters in 4 seconds. So at t equals 4, we get distance is u into 4 plus half into a into 4 square 16. At t equals 4, distance is 28 meters. So u into 4 plus half into a into 4 square. 4 square is 60. Then 2 and 16 cancel, 8. So we can write 4u plus 8a. 4u plus 8a. What is the distance? 28. This is 28. Now let us take the common number. It is common 4. 4 into u plus 4 into u plus next 2a. 4 into 2, 8 equals 28. Or u plus 2a equals 28 by 4, that is 7. Okay. So our first equation is u plus a equals 5 or u equals 5 minus a. Second equation u plus 2a equals 7. So first equation is u equals 5 minus a, and next u plus 2a equals 7. Okay. U equals 5 minus a, u plus 2a equals 7. Then from first equation we can write 5 minus a plus 2a equals 7. Okay. Substitute 5a instead of this u, because u equals 5 minus a. Here u plus a equals 5, that is u equals 5 minus a. So u plus 2a equals 7 can be written as 5 minus a plus 2a equals 7. Then next 5 minus a plus 2a. What is the value? Minus a plus 2a plus a, or 2a minus a is a, that is 7. A equals 7 minus 5, that is 2. Okay. A equals 2. Next, therefore u equals 5 minus a. So 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay. A equals 2 and u equals 3. Now what is our question? With what speed did it start? At what rate does its speed change? So what is the speed? Speed is 3 meter per second. Next, at what rate does its speed change? ഏത് റേറ്റിലാണ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 2 meters per second every second. Okay. Here it's a question. The distance travelled in t seconds by an object starting with a speed of u meters per second and moving along a straight line with a speed increasing at the rate of a meters per second. Every second is given by ut plus half at square. So the speed is 2 meters per second and speed is 3 meters per second and the rate of speed change is 2 meters per second every second. Okay. Today's class is over. Thank you.